I just got back from a really fun road trip. It involved that crate to put this windshield on this car because we're going to SEMA. What? What's up? I'm on my way up to La Habra to go get the glass chopped and have a windshield for the first time ever after a more than decade-long quest to find this wizard. It's like this is the holy grail being realized for me. It's such a good day for a ride in the windowless Punishstang. It's beautiful. It's just gorgeous out. How is today real life? I'm going to get to see someone do something I've only ever seen on TV. Thank you to Lucky Costa, who set me up with Eddie. He's an A-team member from Overhaulin. He's doing SEMA cars like every day, all day long. He's going to cut and install it today. Pray that me and the glass make it in. Well, I guess two pieces, the glass being one of them, but one piece each. The back rack is a feat of engineering. I've had some quick stops and some rough roads and some things, and no problem. So I'm feeling really good about it at this point. I rimmed all the edges with a pool noodle, so it's got foam on there. Bill showed up and helped me. It was awesome. We screwed a bottom plate to that crate. So we placed that on the rack. Then underneath the rack, I placed another board, this time like 24 inches going parallel with the car. Then we screwed that together, flaps and screws. So we sandwiched the rack together between two plates of wood. And then we added some bungee cords just to help it not wiggle too much. Between the glass and the car is the original window that got so lazy we couldn't even see out of it. That's to make their protect from any rocks or something like kick up from the road. I put the glass in the front, and then in the back, even though nothing can hit it, I have the original cardboard template that I made to make the original plastic window and wrote a really big roadkill.com like in their font and everything. So that's riding on the backside so you can see it like down the highway and stuff. That's probably why I got the honk before. That rack is a feat of engineering. I mean, it really is. It's just amazing. Oh, I just got it. That's awesome. There was a van. What's that, Pete? Look how happy it is back there. So a funny thing is that it blocks all my turn signals. The rear tail lights are sort of obscured by a window. Now in here you can see through it, but for the reasons of safety and consideration and also, legalness, I am using arm signals. So very because of roadkill adventure. Oh hey, now seems like a good time to do a update on some of the things I've been doing to get ready for SEMA. So check it out. We've got the gauges that you guys are familiar with. They're awesome. I'm working on developing some sort of cover that will secure it forever, so I don't have to keep bringing it with me everywhere. But I really like that. We've got a new cell phone mounting bit, which is super helpful for the vlogging bit. So it helps you guys out. Also helps me navigate well, and then the kids can see stuff if they're we're on a road trip and they love watching the GPS. And it saves me the age-old question that one day we'll have to tell our kids about, back in our day when we used to ride in cars and ask our parents, are we there yet? 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 Yeah, no one asks that anymore because they just glance at the phone or listen to the update from the Google or the series. I try to do one thing every day, one of which is tearing off a paper chain that I made of days down to SEMA. Some of those things are right here in the interior. I did electrical and I didn't break or burn anything. Well, alright. I blew a couple of fuses, but I found them on my own and fixed them. Anyway, the things are much better. Check it out. Look, empty. There's not the nest of wires. The nest of wires lives here now. I'm really excited about that. I finished, so this turns on the extra headlights, for when mine go out. This keeps us legal, even though we can't actually see what's ahead of us, at least we're legal. And then this one turns on the blue lights that are under the hoop and lights up the new carbon fiber intake that I made. It's ridiculous. I still even have the shims in there. That's so cool. Awesome. Oh, I'm really glad I have that because I can check in on it whenever I need to. And then this one, it's already on, the LED doesn't work, but it turns on the whole charging system, which is now hardwired in and charge all of these things. So these cords just live here and I'm not going back and forth, plugging things in and out. And when we finish making all this stuff nice, it's going to be rad. This is exciting stuff. We're about to cut the glass. This is Eddie. He's helping me out. You guys know him.
I gotta have glass now. It's drive with the plastic.
Right? Yeah, exactly. We might be safe at this point. I could have windshield wipers for the first time in decades. Short ones. Short ones. That's awesome. This is how much we're cutting. This glass is 54 years old, so there's some concern that it may not make it, but there's a spare over there, so I'm feeling really good about this. And it made it. It made it on the rack. It's going really well. We're gonna cut stuff. Cleaned it with a razor blade, and it actually came surprisingly clean. Eddie says now the glass deserves cleaning. I think he's right.
Wow, let's discover what color the glass.
Yeah, actually didn't know what color it is. It's cool. It's kind of like a Coke bottle, like from the 50s. Yeah. Oh yeah.
So if you keep it dirty, you won't see it.
Wow. It makes me happy that it's the Survivor glass, because that's kind of the story of this car, and myself. A bunch of survivors just trying to keep adventuring. Yeah, that's real.
Deep scratch.
Yeah.
Same crack bolts.
Yeah. Yeah.
See, I went inside the dip in the glass here.
Uh-huh. Yeah, the glass is very old and pitted.
I went
Oh.
saw the hole.
There's probably always that moment even for you where you're like, what's gonna happen?
So far okay?
Yeah, so far so good. So cool. My brother is a glass blower, and he's like, glass breaks, it happens, you know, like, that's a good attitude to have in life, I think. Things happen that you don't expect. It's okay. But I'm hoping for the best nonetheless.
We don't clean the glass.
You don't clean it. Oh, good. I'm glad I didn't.
We don't want to waste time. Just
Yeah.
in case if something happens.
Right? That's smart.
That would go waste.
So with the two glasses, there's a laminate between. You're scoring one side and then using the other side to kind of tap it and crack it.
You cut both sides. It's well done on medium rare.
Yeah, right. I'm more of a medium rare guy, but this car has tried to toast me a few times. Neat. Well, you can see it spreading, yeah. Dude, that's so cool. Looks like it went along the line at least. Yeah. Wow. Oh, I'm so excited right now.
Just like we said it.
Yeah, I think so. Wow.
I can feel like grinding here on the glass.
Yeah.
You see the spark on it?
I don't know the story on it.
Looks like when they chop it, the glass was in. It looks like they start inside the car cutting and grinding.
Yeah, yeah. So it's actually, yeah, I bet you're right. It's pitting and such.
Well, it's bound to be better than that. I have to replace that every 2 years because it becomes like looking through someone else's glasses. It gets so scratched. Oh yeah, that makes sense. I'm like holding my breath. This is so exciting. What? You did it!
One piece.
That's awesome. 54-year-old glass. Dude, this is great. Thank you so much.
Yeah, the glass is too dry and not like it as we save it.
54-year-old glass somehow survived the chop. Now we're gonna sand it. This is Eddie's invention for holding glass. Wow. That looks a lot better than the Harbor Freight red handles that I've used. No way.
Just want to sand the glass now.
Yeah. Oh wow. This is so cool. Neat. The Punishstang's being the Punishstang, and the roof isn't straight. I'm gonna have so much more visibility.